All right, guys, we are very excited to bring to you I actually think this is the most dangerous video we've ever done. And this isn't even called the 3 most dangerous boards.
I don't even know what it is yet, so.
It is the heaviest boards. Feel that. I read a comment recently that was like, what's so dangerous about the chain link? And I was like, it's 300 pounds. If it hits your toe, your entire leg explodes. That's what's dangerous. You know, and then this thing, feel this, huh?
The tombstone.
Hunk?
This is light work. Oh, that one's
Is that the heaviest one?
That's the heaviest one.
Oh, wow. This one went straight through a wall. I'm kind of feeling that this might go straight through the wall. Here we go. Heaviest boards versus the wall ride. All right, let's go. I think this is just sort of free for all. Just go.
That doesn't even look heavy.
Feel that.
Oh my god.
It doesn't look heavy?
It does.
Just watch your ankles. What happened?
Well, I fell.
On the heaviest board?
Wanna try again?
Yeah, boy!
It's gonna put a hole straight through that box.
I know.
What? Oh no!
Okay, hold on. I think before this video gets started, we need protection for this box, for that wall, and for my ankles.
No. You're fine. Wait, where?
That was it!
I need to do that again.
People in the comments in the last one were like, I love how everybody's taking it so serious, and then Fetty's just dorking around. No! It was like the Predator. Whoa! Whoa! I'm so proud. I'm so glad that didn't crush his very ankles. Close. I knew it.
Oh, that's not good.
I knew it.
Good at this thing?
I know.
Yeah!
I went into it all bad.
That was the sickest bail I've ever seen.
Almost got it.
Nailed it.
Actually worked.
It moved the whole box. Did it? Yes.
get so high on that thing?
Dude,
What? I almost got
almost
you.
killed me.
Sorry. Oh my god! I keep getting pushed off the wall because I'm going so fast.
That was incredible.
Good thing I know how to fall. Ah!
That is insane, dude.
Still 12? Alright, well. You were like on the 12 line. So you went up and like stalled on the line. God, why? No, again? No! The second task is just 13 though. That's another whole foot.
If you wait a little bit longer and just kick to the last second, I'm pretty sure you'll get over 13. Go faster, make it one full thing.
All right. Oh! Try to touch that middle pillar right there.
All right. Yeah.
So, I think it's my last one. I'm pretty pooped. I'm a quitter. So.
Oh, you know what? You know what?
What?
You know what?
What?
I think you know what. Oh, I think you know what.
Are you gonna give it to me?
I think you know what.
How much of it are you gonna give me?
I think I'm gonna give it all.
All of it?
You need to
Carlos,
find.
I need you. Support. If I fall, can you catch me? If I fall, can you catch me? Okay.
The heat of the luck of the gab is coming. This is what we need.
Touch the roof. I gotta touch the roof. I need it. I need it. I gotta touch the roof.
Okay.
What am I supposed to do with this thing?
He is ready.
That is some hot breath. He's ready.
Rowan, cut that entire clip out.
Do you see how much taller this thing is than me? Do you see how much taller it is than me?
So I think you should start skating up and then someone will kick the soccer ball at you. Just kidding, just kidding.
I'm 5'11".
5'11". Boom, 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 boom. 6 feet is right here. It's from the ground. It's not from the ramp. So of course, when you're standing on the ramp, I'm 6'2". Boom, 6 feet. 13 feet is all the way up there.
Yeah.
Let's go. Do we feel like we got like the full like heaviest boards? I feel like we were like heaviest boards, no highest wall ride, no heaviest boards.
He wants me to try to backflip without putting my hand down.
He will do a backflip. I will heaviest board this.
I feel pretty successful. I think I got to 12.
You nailed that.
I'm gonna take it a foot at a time.
I think I made it to like right here.
Yeah.
And it still was the scariest thing of my entire existence.
I'm telling you, if I could just tie my hand behind my back, it'd be so much easier. There we go. All right, I'm getting there, I'm getting there.
You are a pro.
I'm trying not to, okay?
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had a blast making it, and you know the drill. It's hashtag notification squad. Leave it in the comments below. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on, that you are subscribed, and that you do leave it in the comments below. And you have to click the little button that says like. If you don't like the video, then I'm sorry. We'll try and make one that you like tomorrow in the next daily video because we are doing it and we're having a blast making these videos for you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for each and every single one of your continued help and support. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below. I'll see you tomorrow, hashtag notification squad.